Hey everyone, today, we'll demonstrate how to upgrade the storage and memory in MSI A16 HX B2W series. Traditionally, upgrading a gaming laptop meant prying open plastic clips and risking damage. Not anymore. The 2026 MSI Raider introduces a quick-release bottom cover design. Let's start by preparing the following tools to make the process easier and safer during the upgrade: a Phillips No. 1 head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap or gloves. Also, make sure you get the correct SSD and memory specifications for your laptop to ensure compatibility. For the A16 HX B2W series, it supports up to 128 GB of memory across two memory slots and features 2 M.2 SSD slots. Support 1 NVMe PCIe Gen 4 and 1 PCIe Gen 5 slot. Before you begin pulling everything apart, please make sure that your laptop is turned off and the adapter connector to the laptop is removed. Remember to take note of all of the screws of which hole is removed from, as they slightly different. We suggest you grab a piece of paper and put it next to the laptop. When you remove each screw, just place it on the corresponding spot on the paper. That way you can keep track of where it goes. Using the screwdriver, unscrew the quick-release bottom cover of the laptop. The cover contains a total of 2 screws. After removing all the screws, remove the cover. Long press power reset button to cut off power and it will not turn on unless you connect the adapter back. To upgrade the SSD, follow the steps. Remove the SSD screw. Remove the SSD. Insert the new SSD into the SSD slot with a miter angle. Screw the screw back. If you want to upgrade the RAM, here is how you do it. Press the slot hooks with both hands, then remove the memory. Insert the new memory into the memory slot with a miter angle. Just traverse the process of how you dismantle it to assemble cover back. Make sure that all the screws and cables return to their original position. Let's boot up the system to ensure that the upgrades were successful. Connect the laptop to AC power, press the power button, and repeatedly hit the delete key to enter BIOS. Select storage information to view information on the newly installed SSD. Back to the main page, select System Information to view the newly installed memory. That's how you upgrade the storage and memory on the MSI A16 HX B2W series. Once everything is secured, you're ready to power on and enjoy the upgrade.